Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is HPLC. HPLC is a high performance liquid chromatography, high pressure liquid chromatography, high press liquid chromatography, and it has a column and liquids. It is modified form of gas chromatography. It is applicable for both volatile as well non-volatile compound. It can be mainly divided into two types: normal phase HPLC, reverse phase HPLC. It is a having high resolution and separation capacity. It has it used as a qualitative as well as a quantitative analysis. How high performance liquid chromatography is a chromatography technique to separate a mixture compound in analytical chemistry and biochemistry with purpose of identifying, qualifying and purifying the individual components of the mixtures. Principle of the high performance liquid chromatography is based on absorption as well as partial chromatography is depending on the nature of stationary phase. If stationary phase is solid, principle is based on absorption chromatography, and it is if stationary phase is a liquid, principle is based on partial chromatography. If it is important determination of volatile and non-volatile compound, it is important for determination qualitative and quantitative analysis. It is important for determination of retention time. The time is required after the sample injection of maximum angle peak and reaches to detector. What is the advantage of high performance liquid chromatography is it is a simple, rapid, reproducible, high sensitivity, high performance, rapid process, hence time saving. It is having a high resolution and separation capacity, accuracy and the precision, and stationary phase was chemically inert. Wide varieties of stationary phase, mobile phase was chemically inert. Less requirement of mobile phase is developing chambers, early recovery for separate components, each visualization of separate component. It is having a good reproductivity and repeatability. It is a analytical, it has a good reproducibility, and it is a analytical technique is important for validation of product quality and control studies of product. It is important for qualitative and quantitative analysis. It is used for both analytical and preparative purposes. Now I have to tell you the types of HPLC separation. The normal phase are separation of polar analytes by the partitioning onto the polar bounded stationary phase, and second one is reverse phase. Reverse phase is the separation of non-polar analytes by partitioning onto the non-polar bonded stationary phase. Absorption is the between normal and reversed separation of moderately polar analytes using a absorption onto the pure stationary phase, which is for example alumina and silica. Ion chromatography is separation of organic and inorganic ion by their partitioning onto the ionic stationary phase bonded to the solid support. Size exclusion chromatography, separation of large molecules based in a path they can take through a maze of tunnel in the stationary phase. So this is all about what is the method of the HPLC, and by now I will tell why we are using a HPLC. That is a stuminously analysis, high resolution, high sensitivity, good repeatability, and moderate analysis condition, easy to fractionate and purify, and non-destructive. And now I will tell you what is the instruments using in a HPLC. First of all, what solvent storage bottle, gradient control mixing unit, degassing of solvents, pumps, pressure, gases, pre-column, sample introduction system, column, detector, recorder. These are the instruments which are using in HPLC chromatography. Uh, and I am already told you what is the solvent phase and stationary phase. So this is all about HPLC chromatography. Thank you.